Hello, this is Lee again, going over homework 7, the additional problem given in the Canvas assignment for YouTube. In the header, here are the specs for the additional assignment. The first function is to generate 10 random numbers from a range of minus 100 up to and including 100. We'll save this to a list. There'll be 3 other functions we have to create. One is to find out how many odd numbers are in that list that was generated. The next function is how many even numbers are in that list, and then we find the sum of all even numbers in that list as well. So here we have to import the random library from Python. The first function is just called generate 10 random numbers. This is code that we just basically copied from the textbook. So we have this variable called RNG we set up with instantiation random dot random calling the library. We have an empty list here. And then what I do is I assign the list using the RNG random variable from a sample that's from a range of minus 100 through 101 because of you have to do plus 1 like for for loops and stuff for this range. And it's 10 random numbers. The next, and then we'll return the value of the list back to the main program. The next function is to find out how many odd numbers in the list. And here just to have a variable that I'm just setting up to 0, a counter. I'll find the length of the list. Yes, we know it's 10, but I want to make this code modular in case it could be changed to 5 numbers, 20 numbers, 107 numbers, etc. We have this for loop. I'll walk through the entire list of numbers. The range is from 0 to this length here, iteration of numbers. And on each number in the list will be modulo 2. And if that's equal to 1, that means there is a remainder. That means that something divided by 2 equals 1. The remainder is 1. That means that number is odd. So if it's true, then we'll just simply increment or accumulate the number of odds variable. And then we'll return the variable at the end of the for loop. Next function is count number of evens, similar to odd. These two, walking through the list of 10 numbers. But in this case, we're checking for if we do a modulo 2, the remainder should be 0. Because if we take any number divided by 2 and there's no remainder, that's an even number. And if that's the case, we'll just accumulate, increment the number even counter variable and return it. This function here is to take the number of take the summation of all the even numbers in the list. Already could have put it into here, but I'd like to have modular and separate. So again, we have an iterator number based on the list. Have an empty variable, accumulator variable called sum of evens, 0. We'll walk through the list of numbers, 10 of them, and each time we do it, again, we'll do it if it's even. This time, we'll increment the number. So not just the count of the number. Here we're doing the sum of the number. So it starts at 0, and that number that's in that list. And we'll return the sum of evens. And down here, it's kind of difficult to have a test suite because it's random in nature. So just simply go here, just say, hey, we're going to print out the list of random numbers. Do a call to get the list through calling the first function, generate 10 random numbers. Then I print the list, I have a separator, and then we'll say, hey, I print the count of odd numbers in the list is going to be this count, going through calling the list of random numbers that we get from here. Second major printout is, hey, this is the count of even numbers using the count even function using the same list. And finally, the sum of the even numbers in the list using the call out of sum of evens using the same list. Now we're going to run the program, examine the output. So here, see, I have a prompt saying, hey, we're generating random numbers. Here's the list of 10 random numbers. Here I say the list of random numbers is 6, and the count of even numbers is 4. That's good. 6 plus 4 is 10. Just walking through it, there's 1, 2, 3, and 4 evens. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 odds. And and some of these will just be. All right, that's the program, and hope this is useful for you. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Bye bye.